In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Kanban board in Notion. We'll start on Notion.com. Once the homepage loads, head to Login. If you use Google to access Notion, choose the Google option and select your account to continue. You can sign in with any method you prefer. The goal is simply to land in your workspace so you can build the board. Inside Notion, look to the area near your workspace name and open the More menu. From there, choose Templates. Templates are a great shortcut because they come with ready-made databases, properties, and views. Instead of building a Kanban system from scratch, you'll get a solid starting point that already follows best practices. In the template marketplace, click the search bar and type Kanban board. You'll see a Kanban board template appear among the results. Open it to preview what you'll get, then click Add to bring it into your workspace. If prompted, pick the destination page or workspace so everything lands in the right spot. Once the template is added, open the new Kanban board page. You should see a classic layout with columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Notion represents tasks as cards, and the board is powered by a database behind the scenes, which means you can filter, sort, and switch views at any time. To see the flow in action, grab any task card and drag it from one column to another. Moving cards updates their status instantly and gives you a clear snapshot of progress. You can also reorder cards within a column to reflect priority. For a richer snapshot without opening each card, switch to the detailed board view. This layout surfaces useful properties right on the card face, things like assignees, due dates, or tags, so you can scan key details at a glance while keeping the familiar Kanban layout. If you prefer a spreadsheet-style overview for planning or auditing, change to the table view. The exact same tasks appear as rows with columns for each property, making it easy to compare data, apply sorts, or quickly edit multiple items. Remember, views are just different lenses on the same database, so changes in one view are reflected everywhere. And that's it. You've logged in, opened templates, searched for Kanban board, added the template, opened your board, moved a task, and explored both detailed and table views. You're ready to manage work visually and adapt the setup as your projects grow.